In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Adobe Lightroom in a quick and simple way. This is a great method if you want to add your name, a copyright mark, a logo style text, or a personal watermark to your photos before exporting them. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Lightroom on your computer and load the photo you want to work with. Once your image is ready, the next step is to go to Export. On Windows, you can do this by pressing Ctrl Shift and E together. This opens the export settings where you can prepare your photo for saving and sharing. Now look for the watermark option, turn it on, and then click Edit Watermarks. This is where Lightroom lets you create and customize the text you want to add. When the watermark editor opens, choose the text option. After that, type in the text you want to appear on your image. You can enter your name, brand, website, or any copyright text you want to protect your work. Once your text is added, you can adjust the style to make it look the way you want. Change the font if needed, increase or decrease the size, and move the position so it appears in the right spot on the image. You can also make it more subtle or more visible depending on your goal. If you want it to look clean and professional, keep it simple and place it in a corner. After you are happy with the design, save the watermark settings and return to the export window. Then click Export to finish. Lightroom will now apply your text watermark to the photo automatically during export, and that's it. You've just learned how to add text in Adobe Lightroom using the watermark feature. This method is best for logos, names, and copyright text, especially if you want to protect your images before sharing them online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.